हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल फिशरीज दुनिया। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जीआरएफ फिशरीज साइंस क्वेश्चन पेपर सेकंड इन 2023। मैं फर्स्ट पेपर का एनालिसिस करवा चुका हूं। अगर आपको फर्स्ट पेपर का एनालिसिस चाहिए तो मैंने वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक्स दे दिया है, आप वहां से कवर कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मैच लिस्ट वन विद लिस्ट टू। लिस्ट वन reservoir dam and list two rivers Idukki, Nagarjun Sagar, Jayakwadi and Pong. So Idukki reservoir dam river होगा पेरियार and Nagarjun Sagar Krishna, Jayawadi Godavari and Pong Beas. So the first question is correct answer is option number 4 A2 B3 C4 D1 A3 B3 A2 B3 C4 and D1. Next question is Pieractus brachypomus is a native to, so the correct answer is option number 2 South America. Next question, which category of lobsters form a major fishery along the Indian coast? So the correct answer is option number 2 spiny lobster. Next question, arrange the following marine zones according to their distance from the shoreline to the seaward, beginning from the nearest to the farthest. So the correct answer is option number 3 CBDA, यानी टेरिटोरियल वाटर्स, नेक्स्ट कॉन्टिग्यूअस जोन एंड नेक्स्ट एक्सक्लूसिव इकोनॉमिक जोन एंड लास्ट हाई सी. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 3. Option number 3 CBDA. Next question, the most dominant gear in Hooghly Matla estuary. So the correct answer is option number 2 bagnet. Next question, which of the following has the meaning harbor wave? So the correct answer is option number first tsunami. Next question, the presence of 5 spines in the first dorsal fin and a large mouth with fang-like teeth are the striking taxonomic features of. So the correct answer is option number 2. Option number 2 Sphaerinidae. Sphaerinidae species, that is Barracuda family Sphaerinidae. Next question, identify the species given in the picture. So the correct answer is option number 4 whale shark. Next question, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 common name and list 2 group. So first mantis shrimp, clam shrimp, seed shrimp and opossum shrimp. So the group mysid, stomatopod, branchiopod and ostracod. So the correct answer is option number 3. Option number 3 A2 B3 C4 D1. A2 mantis shrimp, stomatopod, clam shrimp, branchiopod, seed shrimp, ostracod and opossum shrimp mysid. So the correct answer is option number 3. Next question, what is the vernacular name of the fringed-lipped peninsula carp? So the correct answer is option number 2 Labiophimbretus. Next question, thin-walled lamellate structures present on the coxal segment of each maxilliped in a typical prawn are called. So the correct answer is option number 4 Epipodites. Next question is species given in the picture belongs to which group of mollusks? So the correct answer is option number 4 cephalopod. Next question, identify the part marked at C in the given picture. So the correct answer is option number 2 pneumatic duct. Next question, which of the following best explains the cleavage type in a typical teleost? So the correct answer is option number first meroblastic teleocetal and discoidal. Option number first. Next question, given below are two statements, one is labeled as a assertion and other labeled as a reason. Assertion, marine elasmobranchs are slightly hyperesmotic to their environment. Reason, marine elasmobranchs have a considerable amount of urea and trimethylamine in their plasma. So the correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are correct, and R is the correct explanation of A. So the first question, so the 15 का number first true. Option number first true. Next, sensory receptors in lateral line system of fishes are. So the correct answer is option number second. Option number second, neuromust. Next question, in fishes hypocalcin is secreted by. In fishes hypocalcin is secreted by. So the correct answer is option number 4, corpuscles of Stenius. Next question, identify the larva given in the picture. So the correct answer is option number 3, megalopa. Next question, xanthophores impart which color in fishes? So the correct answer is option number 3, yellow. Next question, radula in mollusk is supported by. So the correct answer is option number 2, odontophore. Next question, which one of the following is not an ecological adaptation of a typical cold water fish? So the correct answer is option number 2, reduced power of locomotion. Next question, a broad class of computational algorithms that rely on repeated random sampling to obtain numerical results. So the correct answer is option number first, Monte Carlo method. Next question, given below are two statements. Statement 1, long live fishes approach asymptotic length slowly. Statement 2, fishes with high longevity will generally have a high natural mortality rate. So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Option number 3. Next question, which model is one of the age structural models? So the correct answer is option number 4, yield per recruit model. Next question, which of the following relationship gives as a asymptotic curve? So the correct answer is option number 2, age and length of fish. Next question, given below are two statements. Statement first, in the recirculatory aquaculture system, requirement of water is minimal. Statement 2, in the recirculatory aquaculture system, water pass through biological filter. So the correct answer is first. Both statement first and statement 2 are correct. Next question, in the aquaponic system, which of the following fishes are suitable for culture? So the correct answer is option number 3, tilapia. Next question, given below are two statements. Statement first, goldfish eggs are adhesive, and statement 2, common carp eggs are adhesive. So the correct answer is option number first. Both statement first and statement 2 are correct. Next question, given below are two statements. Statement first, African catfish is a fast growing one and recommended for culture in India. Statement 2, Pangasis catfish is a suitable species for freshwater aquaculture. So the correct answer is option number 4. Statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other one label is reason. Assertion, in the production of extruded feed manufacture, high temperature and high pressure are used. Reason, in the extruded feed production, small air pockets are formed inside pellets and they float in the water. So the correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, list 1 and list 2, feed ingredient and used as a source of. So feed ingredient, groundnut cake, tapioca flour, ethoxine, and rice bran. Used as a source of binder, protein, carbohydrate, antioxidant. So the correct answer is option number 3. Option number 3, A2, B1, C4, D3. A2 groundnut cake protein, B1 tapioca flour binder, C4 ethoxine antioxidant, and D3 rice bran carbohydrate. Next question. Match list 1 and list 2. List 1 shellfish and list 1 larval, list 2 larval stage. List 1 crab, lobster, scampi, freshwater mussel. Larval stage Phylloxera, Julia, Glossidium, and Megalopa. So the correct answer is option number 2, A4, B1, C2, D3. A4 crab, Megalopa, B1 lobster, Phylloxera, Scampi, Julia, and freshwater mussel, Glossidium. So the correct answer is option number 2. Next question. In the induced breeding of Indian major calves, which of the following statements are correct? So the correct answer is option number 4. Gonadotropin releasing hormone is a steroidal hormone, belongs to the class of substance called peptides. Option number 4. Option number 4, B and C. Option number 4, B and C. Ovaprim is ready to use liquid form available in 10 milliliter vial, has a consistency and given reliable results. And C, Ovatide is an indigenous cost effective hormonal formulation. So the correct answer is option number 4, B and C. Next question. The scientist who developed the hypophysation technique for breeding of Indian major calves for the first time in India. So the correct answer is option number 2, Ali Cooney and Hiralal Chaudhary. Next question. What is the world latest fish production FAO 2022? So the correct answer is option number 1, 214 million metric ton. 214 million metric ton. Next question. World latest aquaculture production FAO 2022. So the correct answer is option number 4, 87.5 million metric ton. 87.5 million metric ton. Next question. What is the ideal plant crop for aquaponic system? So the correct answer is option number 2, spinach. Next question. In the breeding of Indian major calves on a large scale, which of the following is more commonly used? So the correct answer is option number 3, circular hatchery. Next question. In the fish feed storage, which of the following is more common type of spoilage? So the correct answer is option number 4, molds. Next question. What is the predominant species cultured presently in the brackish water aquaculture in India? So the correct answer is option number 4, white-leg shrimp. Next question. What is the most important factor in the biofloc system of culture? So the correct answer is option number 1, carbon. Next question. What is the preferred fish food organism for spawn of Indian major calves? So the correct answer is option number 2, rotifers. Next question. Predatory and weed fishes in the pond can be controlled by? So the correct answer is option number 1, mahua wild cake. Next question. Highest fish production calves in experimental condition was obtained by employing? So the correct answer is option number 4, 6 species. Next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, when organic fertilizers are used, zooplankton will develop through saprophytic food chain. Statement 2, when inorganic fertilizers are used, zooplankton will develop through saprophytic food chain. So the correct answer is option number 3, both statement sorry, statement first is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Option number 3. Next question. The book Aquaculture Principle and Practice was written by, so the correct answer is option number 3, T.V.R. Pillai. Next question. Which of the following fish is a protandrous hermaphrodite? So the correct answer is option number 2, Asian sea bass. Next question. In the manufacture of extruded fish feeds, which of the following statements are true? So the correct answer is option number first, high temperature, high pressure and high moisture are used. Option number first, A only. Next question. Which of the following fish is a protogynous hermaphrodite? So the correct answer is option number 3, grouper. Next question. In Microbrachym rosenbergii males, how many common morphotypes are observed? So the correct answer is option number 4. Option number 4, 3. Next question. Which of the following is a secondary air pollutant? So the correct answer is option number first, ozone. Next question. Immediate harmful effect on human body parts due to fluoride pollution. So the correct answer is option number 4, teeth. Next question. First notification of EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment in India, came in the year. So the correct answer is option number 2, 1994. Next question. A concentration of 0.1% is equivalent to how many parts per million ppm? So the correct answer is option number 4, 1000 ppm. Next question. Species that serve as an early warning of environmental damage are called? So the correct answer is option number 4, indicator species. Which of the following genus of bacterium is not found in fresh water? So the correct answer is option number 4, Vibrio. Next question. Lakes having uniform density and temperature regardless of depth in a particular period of the year are called? So the correct answer is option number 4, holomictic lakes. Next. Which of the following is not a biofertilizer? So the correct answer is option number first, salmonella. Next question. Which of the following does not cause the permanent hardness in water? So the correct answer is option number 4, bicarbonates. Next question. Transparency of water is measured by? So the correct answer is option number 4, Secchi disk. Next question. Methemoglobinemia disease is caused by? So the correct answer is option number 3, nitrate in groundwater. Next question. Interspecific relationship where one species suffer and other species experience no effect is? So the correct answer is option number 2, amenangealism. Next question. Kyoto Protocol is related to? So the correct answer is option number first, greenhouse gas. Next question. Gulf Stream is which type of current? So the correct answer is option number 2, warm water current. Next question. Toxin responsible for paralytic shellfish poisoning. So the correct answer is option number first, saxitoxin. Next question. Number of biodiversity hotspots in the world is? So the correct answer is option number 2, 36. Next question, which of the following light can be penetrate deepest in the ocean water? So the correct answer is option number 2, blue. Next question, highest point of wave is called? So the correct answer is option number first, crest. Next question, which one of the following is formed due to river meandering? So the correct answer is option number 3, oxbow lakes. Energy flow in ecosystem is given by? So the correct answer is option number 2, odom. Energy flow in ecosystem is given by option number 2, odom. Next question, cytopathic effect in a host cell is due to result of? So the correct answer is option number 3, viral infection. Next question, any agents added to vaccines to stimulate the immune system and enhance the response without having an antigenic effected by itself are called? So the correct answer is option number 3, adjuvants. Next question, headquarter of Office International Epizootics is located in which country? So the correct answer is option number 3, France. Next question, complete dissociation of chromatin material in the nucleus is termed as? So the correct answer is option number 2, karyolysis. Next question, constant presence of a disease or infectious agent within a given geographic area or population group is termed as? So the correct answer is option number 2, enzootic. Next question, immunoglobulin function is? So the correct answer is option number 3, activation of complement system. Next question, the process of acute inflammation is initiated by the action of? So the correct answer is option number first, vasoactive amines. Next question, the only anesthetic currently approved by the US FDA for use on food fish is? So the correct answer is option number first, MS-222. Next question, the process of weakening a pathogen preparing a vaccine is called? So the correct answer is option number 2, attenuation. Next question, the antibiotic permitted for use in aquaculture is? So the correct answer is option number 2, fluorphenicol. Next question, lactic acid fish fermented product is? So the correct answer is option number 4, Plara. Next question, what is the recommended dietary allowance RDA of EPA and DHA? So the correct answer is option number first, 1 gram. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as a assertion and other labeled as a reason. Assertion, isinglass is prepared from swim bladder. Reason, it is a form of collagen used mainly for the clarification or fining of some beer and wine. So the question is, correct answer is option number first, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Option first is correct answer. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other labeled as reason. Assertion, in trawl net, old pieces of webbing known as false belly. Reason, they are attached below the belly to act as a chafing gear. So the correct answer is option number first, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, match list 1 with list 2. List 1 and list 2. List 1, fishing gear floats. List 2, buoyancy. List 1, sponge, plastic, thermocol, cork, wood. So the correct answer is option number 2, A4B3C2D1. A4B3C2D1. Option number 2. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and the other label is reason. Assertion: trammel net is used to entangle the fin, scales, teeth of fish. And reason: it consists of two layers, one with large meshes outside and another with a small meshes inside. So the correct answer is option number 3. A is true but R is false. A is true but R is false. Next question, which is the indigenous pathogenic bacteria in seafood? So the correct answer is option number 2, Vibrio parahemolyticus. Next question, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, fish byproducts. List 2, body parts. Fish glue, fish maw, gelatin, pearlescence. By body parts, epidermal layer, skin and bones, air bladder, fish head. So the correct answer is option number 4, A4B3C2D1. A4 fish glue, fish head. B3 fish maw, air bladder. And C2 gelatin, skin and bones. And D1 pearlescence, epidermal layer. Option number 4. Next question, given below are two statements. Statement first, a splicing is a method of joining ends of two ropes together or making an eye at the end of the rope. Statement 2, eye splicing is a method of joining two ropes without increasing the thickness over the area of a splice. So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement 1 is correct but statement 2 is incorrect. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other one labeled as reason. Assertion: the Codex Alimentarius Commission was established in the year 1963 by the Food and Agriculture Organization (FAO) and World Health Organization (WHO) of the United Nations. Reason: it was developed to harmonized international food standards, guidelines and codes of practice to protect the health of consumers and ensure fair trade practices in the food trade. So the correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other one labeled as reason. Assertion A, Colombo curing is the fish pickling process practiced in the South Canara and Malabar region along the west coast of the India. And reason are, Pisidium guajava fruit is very acidic in nature, which is used for Colombo pickling of fish. So the correct answer is option number 3. A is true but R is false. A is true but R is false. Next question, histamine producing bacteria in iced fishes. So the correct answer is option number first, Photobacterium. Next question, match list 1 with list 2. List 1, fishing gear. List 2, type of water body. Pole and line, long door, kola walai and suthu walai. Type of water body, lake, backwater, hill stream, sea. So the correct answer is option number first. Option number first, A4B3C2D1. A4 pole and line, sea. B3 long and door, hill stream. C2 kola walai, backwater. And D1 suthu walai, lake. Option number first, A4B3C2D1. Next question, which is the major pathogen in ready to eat product? So the correct answer is option number first, Listeria monocytogenes. Next question, given below are two statements. A statement first, bull trolling or pair trolling is a specialized trolling method in which the mouth of the troll is kept open by means of pair trollers towing part. And a statement 2, in Japan, bull is known as parager trolling. So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Next question, the specific gravity of ferrous cement is. So the correct answer is option number first, 2.4 to 2.6. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other one labeled as a reason. Assertion, tonnage is a measure of ship capacity. It can be expressed either in volume or weight. Reason, displacement tonnage is the amount of water displaced by a ship expressed in the tons weight, that is 0.99 meter cube of salt water or 1 meter cube of fresh water. So the correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other label is a reason. Assertion, frozen tuna exhibit green brown one on cooking. Reason, browning is due to the formation of myoglobin in the muscle through auto-oxidation of ferrous myoglobin. So the correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, given below are two statements. A statement first, the most widely used fish detection instrument is the echo sounder. A statement 2, an echo sounder consists only two major components, transducer and receiver. So the correct answer is option number 3. A is true but R is false. Next, musk condition in canned fish occurs due to. So the correct answer is option number first, protozoa. Next question, which of the following compound gives sweet and meaty flavor to fish? So the correct answer is option number first, inosine monophosphate. Inosine monophosphate. Next question, limit of Escherichia coli in frozen seafood. So the correct answer is option number 2, 20. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other labeled as a reason. Assertion, basic principle of marine engine is based on the latent heat energy of fuel is converted into mechanical energy in the case of heat engines. Reason, combustion takes place inside in terms of steam engine. So the correct answer is option number 3. A is true but R is false. Next question, given below are two statements. One is labeled as assertion and other one labeled as a reason. Assertion A, sextant is a modern navigational instrument which is used for the measurement of vertical and horizontal angles at a sea. Reason, it is instrument of double reflection by means two mirror and is capable of measuring angle up to 120 degrees. So the correct answer is option number first. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Next question, ascombroid poisoning is related to. So the correct answer is So the correct answer is option number 4, A and B only. Thunus algunga, alalunga, and option number 4, A and B, Coryphina hippurus. Option number 4. Next question, a single value used to estimate population parameter is called. So the correct answer is option number 2, point estimate. Next question, for a given set of data, if the difference between mean and mode is 36, what is the difference between mean and median? So the Solution is mean minus mode equal to 36 and find mean minus median equal to what? Now we know that mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 2 mean minus 3 median equal to minus mode. Now adding both side mean, so 3 mean minus 3 median equal to mean minus mode. So 3 mean minus median equal to 3 common, 3 mean minus median equal to 36. So mean minus median equal to 36 by 3 equal to 12 answer. Is the correct answer is option number 2, 12. Next question, a measure of the relationship between two random variables and to what extent they change together is. So the correct answer is option number first, covariance. Next question, a pond contains 200 pieces of which 40 are marked. A second pond contains 300 pieces of which 50 are marked. One fish is drawn from each of the ponds. What is the probability that the fishes drawn are both marked? Now the solution is a first pond contains 200 fishes of 40 marked. So 200 by 40 equal to 5. And second pond contains 300 fishes of 50 marked. So 300 by 50 yani 6. Now one fish drawn each pond, so 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. The probability that the fishes drawn are both marked 1 by 5th minus 1 by 6 difference, so 6 minus 5 by 30, 1 by 30 answer. Next question, given below are two statements. Statement first, a belt of coastal waters extending outmost 12 nautical miles for the baseline of a coastal state is called territorial sea. Statement 2, a belt of coastal waters extending outmost 24 nautical miles from the outer edge of the territorial sea is called contiguous zone. So the correct answer is option number 3. Statement 1 is correct, but statement 2 is incorrect. Next question, which of the following is launched by Government of India recently for comprehensive development of villages of blocks on the northern border to improve livelihood people living in identified border villages of India? So the correct answer is option number 2, Vibrant Villages Program. Vibrant Villages Program. Next question, the United Nations General Assembly has declared 2022 as the International Year of. So the correct answer is option number first, Artisanal Fisheries and Aquaculture. Next question, identify the correct sequence of steps in extension teaching. So the correct answer is option number 2. Option number 2, DCABFE. Option number 2. Next question, 3 of the following extension teaching method belongs to the same category. Choose the odd one out. So the correct answer is option number 4. Option number 4, field trip. Next question, identify 3 R of credit. So the correct answer is option number first, B, D and E only. Returns, repaying capacity and risk bearing ability. Next, Indian marine product export value worth during 2021 to 2022. So the correct answer is option number 2, US dollar 7.76 billion. Next question, the market situation where there is only one buyer in the market is called. So the correct answer is option number 2, monopsony. Next question, study the product life cycle diagram as a given if A, B, C and D represent different stages of product life cycle. Which stage is least expensive stage? So the correct answer is option number 3, stage C. Next, the headquarter of the WTO is at, so the correct answer is option number 4, Geneva. Next question, which of the following is regarded as one of the fixed cost in aquaculture? So the correct answer is option number 2, depreciation. So thank you. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो हेल्पफुल लगता है तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक शेयर कर दें एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें ताकि ऐसा वीडियो आपके पास सबसे पहले पहुंच सके।